Hello student, today I am going to teach you application of resonance effect. Now let us start. Application of resonance effect. We can use resonance effect for stability of molecules and ions, unexpected bond length in molecules, acidity of phenol and basicity of amines, and it is also used for calculating mechanism of reactions. First, stability of molecules and ions. We can use resonance effect for calculating stability of molecule. In this three structure, first, second and third. Third structure show 12 resonance structure. Second structure show 8 resonance structure. And third one show 5 resonance structure. Due to the resonance structure, first structure is more stable than second, and second structure more stable than third. Therefore, in first structure there are the more resonating structure, and therefore we calculate stability. First structure is more stable. In this way, resonance effect is used for the stability of molecule. Then bond length. In this bond length, benzene ring, there are 3 pi bond. C single bond and C double bond. C bond length means single bond length is 1.54 angstrom unit, and C double bond C bond length is 1.34 angstrom unit. But in benzene ring, their actual bond length is 1.39. This is the average of single and double bond length. In this way, due to the presence of resonance, we can find out the bond length of that molecule. In third one, acidity of phenol and basicity of amines. We know that what is meant by acidic. Remove H plus ion. In first structure and second structure, first structure is phenol and second one is alcohol. In this molecule, phenol is more acidic than alcohol because of the resonance, presence of the resonance. In this way, we can find out acidity and basicity of amines. In basicity, tertiary, secondary and primary. Tertiary carbon more stable, tertiary more stable than secondary, and secondary more stable than the primary. In this way, more alkyl group attached to the nitrogen, that compound or that molecule more stable. And in last, mechanism of reaction. We can use resonance effect for the reaction mechanism. In this way, application of resonance effect. Thank you student.